Hey stories, it's Isha and welcome. First of all, a very happy new year to each one of you. I hope you conquer all of your dreams, your ambitions, your goals, that whatever and whichever thing you have planned for yourself for this year. I hope you do that with small steps that you take every single day. And in this video, because I've been doing a lot of goal setting videos and vision boards and all of that for New Year, I thought it would be a nice idea to do a video of goals, ideas that you can like goals that you can set for yourself if you're a media student. So because a lot of media students follow me on this channel, I guess this would be like apt video this time. So yeah, let's begin. The number one goal you can set for yourself this year for the good is reading every single day. Because no matter where I went, no matter whoever I asked advices as a media student, they always suggested me to read more and read regularly, and that is one habit that you can start inculcating right now if you're not doing already. So reading every day, and that doesn't mean that you should read hours together. I mean, yes, you can do that, but to maintain that regularity is the main thing. So even if you read 5 pages of that book on a single day, that's enough. One awesome idea to set your goals and actually achieve them is to divide them into categories like good, better, best. So if you put like 5 pages of the book in good category, that means even if you read 5 pages, that good. For better, you can write 15 pages. So if you that particular day, if you read 15 pages for good for book, that's better. And for best, you can write like 30 pages, and that's where you set your goals to make it more flexible and more achievable for you. And with reading comes writing. The second goal you can set for yourself is writing more often, and that you can do just after you get done with your reading. You can take your pen and paper and write something, or express your opinion on what you read, or express your feelings or anything. And even if you on days when you don't feel like writing, just writing one line to maintain that streak, to maintain that consistency of like habit that you try to build, will do. That's enough. You don't need to write pages together, and you don't need to read hours together just to prove that you're reading every day. But the more important thing is, even if you're doing it for a little bit, or even for 5 minutes you're doing it, if you're doing it regularly, that what matters. The third goal that you can set for yourself is being updated. I cannot emphasize on this, on how much importance being updated is to you, even if you're not a media student. Then also start with reading one news article. Even if on your busiest day you don't feel time to find time to search anything or read anything, reading one single article or knowing about the news, just go through the headlines of that particular day. You'll get a ton of YouTube videos just about the headlines of that particular day, and that is enough for you to be for being updated. So yeah, this is the third goal that you can set for yourself. Fourth goal can be being curious and asking why, and being conversational with people. If you are going to be a journalist, you're expected कि तुमको सवाल पूछना है and all of that. For that, you need to be curious. And even if you're not being a journalist, if you're choosing any other career options in this mass media, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, being curious and being conversational to people and asking what and how of everything, you'll find many times just because you're conversational to people, you talk about things, you get to know many new things in life. So yeah, this can be, and this should definitely be one goal, to be more conversational and more curious about everything that you hear. Last goal can be upgrading your skill set in that one particular field where you want to grow or where you want to set your career in. So for example, if you want to be a news presenter, so improving your presentation skills, your speaking skills, your vocabulary, your English, your Hindi, and like your communication skills. Or if you want to be a writer, your writing skills. If you want to be a photographer, your filmmaking or photography skills, this is where you can focus here. Investing into a course or investing 1 hour every day just to learn from the resources that you get online, or just by practicing that every single day and into that one particular task, can be your key focus for this year. And that's about it, stories. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also press that bell button and share this video to whoever you think might find this video helpful. Comment down below what is your key focus or your number one goal for the year, and if you're achieving it, if you're working towards it or not. And in the coming few months and the coming few days, you'll see a lot of new content that would be helpful to you being a media student, and also in general towards achieving your goals and everything. A lot of new things coming for you, and yeah, be excited for that. And yeah, I'll see you till next time. Till then, dream, design, and live the story. Bye bye.